Alright, Algebra 1, let's finish up Chapter 6 here. We're in 6.6, Systems of Linear Inequalities. Our essential question, which method used to solve systems of equations can you use to solve a system of inequalities? Bingo, graphing. Okay, that's how we do it. We get them in the y equals mx plus b form. We've graphed the inequalities. You want to make sure, once you got them in the y equals, you take your y-intercept, like the green here, we plot, there's our -3 for our y-intercept. Our slope is 2, up 2 over 1. It's a dashed line because there's no equal, okay? Don't forget that. And then y is less than, so we know we shade down. Here, to put it in the y equals, we subtract the 2x over. Y-intercept is 2, boom, dot there right at the 2. -2 over 1 is our slope, down 2 over 1. Dashed line because again there's no equal here. But now y is greater, so we shade up. And what we're looking for is the overlap, so it all overlaps right here. Okay, there's our region, our solutions are right here. Any point out here will solve both of these at the same time. Okay, the intersection of the shaded regions, that's the answer. Okay, so nothing different than we haven't already done. We're just doing two graphs on one, kind of like what we did with the lines at the beginning when we were graphing the systems. Okay, working backwards here, here's an example out of the book. Find two equations that represent the graph. This is a little trickier. Now we got to look at the graphs, and we've done this too. You just have two of them to deal with now. I took the green one to be first. I look and I see that my slope, when I go from one point to another, is up one to the right, so I've got a slope of 1. I can see that my y-intercept goes through -1, so that's my b. Okay. I shade it up, and I've got a solid line. So solid line tells me I'm going to get a greater than or equal to when it's shaded up and it's solid. So y is greater than or equal to mx plus b, so I get 1x minus 1. That's the green equation, the green line. The red one, I pick 2 points on the line, and I see that I go down 1 and to the right 2. So that gives me a slope of -1/2. I see that I'm going through y is 5. So that's my b right there. I've got a dashed line and I shade it down. So shaded down with a dash, that's y is less than. Okay, no equal there because it's a dashed line. Y equals mx plus b, y is less than my -1/2 x plus 5. So there's my two equations. So I can take equations and graph them, find the overlapped area, region, there's where my solutions are at, or I can take the graph and I can find the equation of each of the two lines. Okay? So we're going to look at some more examples of that tomorrow, and we'll wrap the chapter up. Alright, see you tomorrow. Bye.